Yeah. Red line rail is about to take off. This is Lagos. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
So in terms of job opportunities, what are we looking at? How many people are there?
Well, I mean, it's a mass movement. So, I mean, we cannot fill up the place with people. We can only fill the people with, ticket checkers and platform workers, station workers, cleaners, and that's it. And whatever number that picks, that still adds up to a job need and job opportunity. Right. But we need to keep inside of the train, as free as possible, because the whole idea is to carry passengers. Do you understand? So all of the jobs that will be created will really be on the ground: station cleaning, platform cleaning, ticket issuance, and the rest of it. Inside the train itself is not a lot of job. It's really the passengers that are supposed to, carry from one station to another, and that's the plan for it.
So you talked about new trains arriving. Tell us about that.
Yeah, I mean, yes, our new trains will be coming in, right, on both the red line and the blue line. The blue lines will arrive early next.
You not ask for what you want.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Remember me, your government too. Congratulations, sir. Thank you.
Congrats, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.